Alright, it's time for a very special Sunday at the shop. Christmas edition! It is Christmas Day. Things are busy in here. But here actually working on my own stuff for once. Mainly because the family all went to see Uncle Adam on base. Well, he lives off base now, but he lives in El Paso. So they all left this morning. We did our family Christmas yesterday. So I'm going to take off the doors and the side skirts that are beat to shit from Havasu. And I'm going to start prepping this thing for Orange Show opening night. Yep, that's what we're going to do. So just kind of hanging today. I'm going to go to Christmas dinner later at Wick and Allie's. Then I got to go pick up my dogs before 9 from the old man. Maurice's vet, we're waiting for front control arms. He's got some badass arms coming. I still got to fight with the fuel tank. There's more to it. This is leaving this week. I'm going to work on this pretty much Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. Out of here Thursday at the latest. I also need to go get Shelly's Cadillac tomorrow from Mr. Bobby Reed. And knock out a couple things on it. And then we'd be ready to go. But today is the OTL, Professionals Car Care, Desrail's Classic, Atomic Auto, Garage in the Zone, Lawn Store Garages, Camaro's Day.